Hello everyone, it's demo time here at Griffin, and I am incredibly excited to show you how AI models can talk to our bank. We released our MCP server a couple of weeks ago, and the reaction has been even beyond our expectations. If you're a fintech, if you're building a fintech AI agent, this is for you. So, very quickly, before we get into the demo, the world is changing so quickly. The world is changing beyond our imagination, or at least my imagination. I'm doing most of my search in an AI chatbot. I'm creating AI agents at work to do research for me. Video creation is happening partially through AI agents and developing fast. And even software engineering is somewhat happening through AI agents. But what about when it comes to payments? What about when it comes to managing your money? I'm not using AI agents for these, and I don't see many of my friends or the market even in this industry that I'm in using AI to do this. But that's going to change, and that's going to change very quickly. And when people look back through history, this is the kind of high-level view that they're going to see, that we moved from bank branches, physical locations, to fintech apps, to the phase that we're about to enter, which is fintech AI agents. However, these fintech AI agents need a bank. They need to access the financial system. In the same way that fintech apps need access to the financial system, they need access to banks, fintech AI agents are going to need access to banks. And we have created a bank that fintech AI agents can talk to. Not only do we have the banking license, but we've also got the technology layer for AI models and therefore fintech AI agents to talk to our bank. And this is what we have released very recently with the Griffin MCP server. So what I'm about to demo to you today, you can actually do yourself. You can go to app.griffin.com and you can get a sandbox account, and you can go to GitHub and you can download our MCP server and try this for yourself. So let's get into it. What am I about to show you? Well, I'm using Claude here. Claude is just like ChatGPT. And I am going to tell Claude to open two bank accounts for me. Call one a savings account and call the other one a treasury account. Claude interprets the prompt. It connects what it interprets to our bank. And lo and behold, it's created two accounts for me, exactly as I'd named them. And it's also giving me the details here of the account numbers and sort codes. So make a note of these account numbers. One ends in 234, the other ends in 773. What I'm going to do now is switch into the Griffin app, to the Griffin dashboard. So this is the actual bank. This is the behind the scenes of the bank. And what I'm going to do is check that what Claude was telling me is actually correct. And here you go. So Claude has indeed opened two bank accounts, and the account numbers match exactly what it had told me. So far so good. Let's make it a little bit more complicated. Let's add some more logic in here. So let's tell Claude to sweep any balances in the accounts above 500K into the savings account. So this will be an interesting test. Can it interpret the prompt, and can it match the prompt to the correct actions in the bank? So you can see it's taking a little bit longer, but here we go. It's already given us a result. It's very quick. And it's saying it's done exactly what I asked it. It's saying it's moved 500K from the treasury account to the savings account, and then the same from the primary to the savings account. And it's showing what the expected balances are as well. Has it done it properly? Let's go and check again. Let's switch into the Griffin app, to the Griffin dashboard. Let's this time head into the payment section first. We can go to approved payments. Brilliant. Exactly as it was describing in the chat. And now let's go into the account section and make sure the balances are correct. Absolutely. It's reduced the primary account by 500K, it's reduced the treasury account by 500K, and therefore the savings account has gone up by $1 million. So Claude, an AI, and the AI model behind it can talk to Griffin Bank. But this is a simple demo. This is just the surface of what's possible. The big question is, what are you going to build? We've built the interaction layer, we've built the bank. We would love to see what fintech AI agents you build, and we would love your feedback. We want to improve this MCP server. We want to make this as good as it can be. We want to make it as safe as it can be, and we can only do that together. So sign up for the MCP server, sign up for our sandbox. Tell us what you think. You can reach out to us at any point. We would love to hear from you, and we would love to change fintech together. Thank you very much. I can't wait to hear from you soon.